Hey guys, so as some of you might know, my parents, not me or Blake, but my parents, oh man, Grandma, we're filming a video. That's really funny.
Anyway,
they bought a new house and this is an empty house tour. Everybody is here like painting and working on stuff, but me and Blake are just here to show it off. So let's just do it. I hope we didn't embarrass her.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
Okay, so obviously this is the entryway. Are you showing it nice and good, Blake?
trying.
Okay, let's go inside. Okay, yeah, we're good to go inside. So, whenever you, I'm getting really close. Okay, so it's very echoey in here. So whenever you first walk in, there's the living room. We'll probably go more into detail in the living room in a sec. Sneak peek, if you will. But if you come to your right, if you're walking in the door, my left right now, we're gonna go all the way to the right. This is Blake's room. Obviously, it's in the middle of getting painted. Blake picked burgundy for his wall colors. We would show you the closet, but it's nothing special really. I like the panorama.
Wow.
Nice. Make sure you're like zoomed out. Okay. So then as you come here, here's just like a coat closet. You can't really. Okay, coat closet. And then here, I can turn on this light. Here's the bathroom. Oh, whoops. Here's the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom, I guess. It's Blake's bathroom, really. Shower. We got this tile in all of the bathrooms, I'm pretty sure. At least me and Blake's and Drew's bathroom. And yeah, I think it's cute. It's different from what we're used to. This is just like more cabinets, so like towels, sheets, stuff like that go here. This room is the guest room. So hi, if you're gonna be a guest in my house, this is probably where you will sleep. I cannot talk. Anyway, I think we're gonna paint this one, but also it doesn't look that bad. I don't know, we'll see. I know Mom and Dad plan on putting a bunch of stuff in here, but this is the purple closet. It's just purple, and that's pretty much it. But they said they're gonna just like fill it full of like keepsakes and stuff, so I told them they probably don't need to paint it, right? What do you guys think? Anyway, so leaving this room, going back over here into the living room. Let's go do a panorama of the living room. Obviously, there's some chairs in here right now. I'm taking over just because I want to really quick. Here's the fireplace. I like it's got like concrete tile situation. And it's like open, love it. This big thing. It's got really high ceilings in here. And skylights. Stairs. Okay, and then next, Blake, do you want to come out on the deck with me or no?
No.
Okay, so here's outside. They left this grill and they left all this stuff, the people that own this house. But yeah, we have really big decks. There's two of them. We have double decks. And these are houses, obviously.
Oh god.
There's...
You gotta show them how far down it is.
Okay, I'll take the camera then. Do not drop it. Hold it with both hands very tight.
Don't fall, guys. Here's their deck.
Okay, let's come back inside now. Let's go into Mom and Dad's room now. So, over here off the living room is the master bedroom. Should I be a realtor, guys? Let me know. It's the master bedroom. Pretty much that. It has the, like, indentation with, like, the light up there. Nice. I like it. It's cool. In their bathroom, it's pretty cool. They cleaned it actually yesterday, so that's that. But we have the shower, which is really cool. It still needs some cleaning, but Don't tell mom that I told you that. They cleaned it. There's just like some stains and stuff. Okay, it's got double closets, like a his and her closet basically. So you don't really need to go inside the closet. Here, let me do this. Okay, so it's got double closets. Here's like a better view on the shower. Like I said, my mom probably is gonna be mad that I showed you this, but the tile is really cool. It just needs some cleaning still. So here's the jacuzzi tub. Another closet, the toilet room. We put new toilet seats on yesterday, and me and Blake went and bought trash cans. And then here's the vanity. It's actually like quite fancy. Okay, Blake, you're gonna trip me, bro.
No, you're gonna trip yourself.
Look at that, that's kind of fancy. Kind of a fancy vanity is. So, yes. You want the case for the thumbnail?
What, like this?
But, we bought a new house. Okay. So, I'm so into slippers. Okay, so going back over here. This is the kitchen, so we can go ahead and kitchen or downstairs?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay, make sure to stay far back, good far back for me so you can see like most of my body. Okay, Mom, don't get mad that we're showing this because there's just stuff in here, but that's just because this is where you have to put stuff. So, anyway, this is the kitchen. Obviously there's stuff everywhere because they're like doing it. We will do a final house tour whenever everything's like decorated and stuff like that, and like there's furniture. But I wanted to get it like the before and the after, you know what I mean? So obviously dining table goes right here, right? Here's the island. Cool. Lots of cabinets, you know. Fridge. You know what these things are. You do. You know what these things are. And yeah, come show them the countertops. Oh, there's a Keurig here, sick. So this is the tile on the countertops. Pretty cool. And yeah. Okay, so let's go downstairs. This is my favorite part. I think you guys are gonna like it too. Let's do it, Blake. So let me turn on some lights before we go down here. We're gonna need more lights. So when you first walk down the stairs, you see the kitchenette. Which I'm really excited about because that means I don't have to go upstairs to get snacks or like drinks because we're gonna like make a little coffee nook down here. It's got a mini fridge, it's got a sink, yes. And then as you keep going, obviously there's the deck. We can go up there because I just mentioned it. Let's go. Oh, it's really drippy because the ice is melting.
Oh, yay.
So let's not actually go out there, but we can show them. So, as you guys can see, we have a swing over there, which me and Ellie swung on yesterday, and it was super nice. Yeah, it's a nice deck, but the ice from the snow is melting, so we're not gonna go out there. So, next, this is like the main room, obviously. So we're gonna have the couches in here, like the recliner couches from our house right now. It's got a projector TV. The projector is up there. And it's got a fireplace down here, which I'm really excited because I freaking love fireplaces, so the more the better. And yeah, let's go over here first. So, this room on the right in the basement is my room. It's not, wait, yeah, I'm trying to remember what it looks like. Yeah, so this is my room. I have a vision for it. Let me know if you guys want to see me like do my room type thing, like separate from the whole house. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason it's my room is because of this right here. Look at this giant closet. Like, you could put a twin size bed like all the TikTok people are doing right now. You could really put your bed in your closet. Like, it's really big. So yeah, next we will go into the hallway. We'll look at the downstairs bathroom. Okay, something that's really weird about the downstairs bathroom is that the light switches are on the outside. Concerning, yes. But I think it's really funny. So I'm gonna prank people for sure. Anyway, so there's literally trash. Like, did you put this wall seat on?
Yeah,
You left all the stuff out.
I did.
Yeah, there's literally screws on the floor.
Oh, well.
Anyway, this is me and Drew's bathroom. And yeah, it's got the same tile, it's got lots of storage. This one is just a shower. It's not a bath shower. This one's just a stand-up shower, which is low-key sad because I like taking baths. But yeah.
Next level.
Next level, I can.
Yeah, it's so we can.
Whoa.
What?
Anyway.
I hit the door.
Yeah. Okay. Also, something to mention while we're here, look at the floor. So in the basement, it's all stained concrete, and there's some tile like in the bathroom, and then the bedrooms are obviously really like soft carpet. So just thought I'd mention this right here because that's kind of cool. So next, I say so a lot. This is a wait. I've never looked in this closet. This is a really big closet.
Oh wow.
That's awesome, actually, for a base. Like, don't actually. Like, the light bulb doesn't work in here. The light bulb doesn't work in there. Anyway, storage closet. This is.
Fits one full size Kaity.
No, this has not been painted. This is Drew's room. Let's turn on the light. Well, there. Obviously, we're getting ready to paint it, like I said, with all the rooms, basically. So all of his outlets and stuff are off. But yeah, it's pretty much just a square room. The normal closet. Like, nothing special. And yeah. So, next, we shall, let's turn on these lights. We shall go over here. Let's turn on, oh my gosh, wait, this lights have dimmers. What? Learn something new. So, I can tell you guys, because I don't think mom and dad I think they're too busy to watch this video. Okay? But, me and Ellie are gonna print out pictures of our heads and put them in these, and like make little shrines, but like leave the lights off, you know? And see how long it takes for mom and dad to notice, because it's gonna be so funny. Another thing, mom and dad really want to put like a bar table here, basically, with like stools and stuff. So, because like obviously the light kind of like a table should be here. So, yeah. Anyway, this should be saved for last. So let's go. Let's go over here really quick. This is mom's office / craft room. It's definitely the biggest room in the basement, and so I was like, why don't I get it as my room? And she was like, there's no closets. But this is mom's craft room / office. I am personally excited for mom's office to not be in the kitchen anymore. Can I get an amen on that? Because we couldn't eat whenever she's on calls and stuff. This is the John Deere room. I don't really know where the light switch for. Oh wait, here it is. Okay, you can come show. This is the John Deere room. I'll actually.
You can come show.
I will. Yeah, I'll show. If you guys don't know what a John Deere room is, it connects to our backyard. So you can put like your lawnmower in here and like that kind of stuff. And yeah, so there's nothing really special about it. That's just, we just have never had one. So that's cool. Now on to my favorite place. I wanted to save it for last. So, back around the corner. This will be my sanctuary. I will spend a lot of time in here, and I'm very excited for the things that will be happening here. So, this is the gym.
Oh, this is trippy.
What? It's trippy because there's like, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so this is the gym, obviously. It's got the mirrored walls, the matted floors. I want to put a mini fridge over here for like Celsius and stuff like that. It's pending. No one has actually said I can do it yet, but I don't see why not. Oh wait, I guess Blake was the other fridge. Anyway, but what's really cool is that we have a sauna in here. Like a little sauna. And it's just it's a dry sauna. I wish it was like a wet sauna, but it's a dry sauna. And yeah, it literally has like a radio. It has like a radio and all that kind of stuff, and I'm really excited to use it. Very relaxing, I'm sure it will be. Do you want to get a little POV, Blake? POV, you're sitting in the sauna. It was me working out while I was in the sauna. Okay, while you were in the sauna.
You can see my reflection in this.
That's so fun. Okay. Anyway, so yes, that is pretty much the grand finale. There's a storage room over here, but like you don't really need to. This is literally just storage. Like it's just about like dark and yeah, gray and. Okay, so yeah, this is the basement. You will see the basement in a lot of videos. I'm personally really excited to have movie nights with this. Basement movie nights just hit different. They just do. I'm for real, they do. Okay, so let's turn off the lights. So, let's go back upstairs. Do you guys want to see the garage? Do you want to see it? Grandma and Dad are in there. Anyway, I'll just tell you about it. So, the garage is big enough for 2 cars and a boat, so that's pretty much what we needed. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming to my house tour. I'll see you next time.